loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be doing this wig install with this gorgeous unit from Beauty Forever Hair. Beauty Forever decided to go ahead and send me over a 20-inch lace frontal unit, 13 by 4. It is straight 150 density and I'm loving it. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. When I tell you the luster, the shine, the silkiness to this hair is everything. I loved working with this unit. I love working with Beauty Forever on a whole. Their wigs are top tier. In my top 3, their wigs are definitely up to par with everything. The laces are great for any skin tone that there is. They have a different variety of laces, wigs, bundles, you name it, Beauty Forever has it. And in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you how I did this gorgeous glueless install. It was really easy, really quick. It took me under 30 minutes to complete. Of course, it will be crunched down because, you know, like, you see this all the time, but as far as I know, these wigs are super gorgeous and installing them is a breeze. So if you'd like to see how I did my glueless install, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip, which I would definitely recommend because Beauty Forever just gives, period. And let's jump into the tutorial. So that is it for today's tutorial. This wig is in 20 inches, really cute, 150 density, and it is a straight wig from Beauty Forever Hair. I love it because the part is 13 by 4, it's giving 13 by 5, it's giving long part vibes, and I'm so here for that. It was so easy to work with, so easy to install and style. I'm definitely gonna go in, tie it up a bit so the lace could set in properly, but as for right now, this is just what we're giving. The hair is really soft, silky, smooth, and straight. It is a natural 1B color, but we definitely could get away with this hair feeling, looking like jet black, and I'm here for it. I love me a nice 1B that looks like jet black, because then you don't even have to color it. It is so cute. I'm so here for it, and if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. If you do have any other questions, please feel free to comment down below. I will be at your service to answer whatever questions it is that you have. But so far so good. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Beauty Forever definitely always gives, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, I'll see you lovely ladies in my next one.